Hello friends, welcome to Anusapti Webcast. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to take backup of a group policy object and how we can restore it. So to do that, we are going to use Group Policy Management Console because Group Policy Management Console provides mechanism for backing up, restoring, migrating and copying existing GPOs. And this is very important for maintaining your group policy deployment in event of error, disaster or by mistake you delete the GPO. Group Policy Management Console also provide for copying and importing GPO both from the same domains or might be across domains. So we can use GPMC to migrate an existing GPO from existing domain into newly deployed domain, and we can also either copy GPO or import settings from one GPO to another GPO. And this can save you a lots of time and trouble by enabling you to reuse the content of existing GPO. But let's see, initially, first of all, we are going to see how we can take a backup of GPO and how we can restore it. So for this demo, I'm going to use my domain, that is mylab.local. Already, as you are seeing, I have multiple GPOs over there. And if you want to take a backup of all GPO at a single shot, then right click on it and select backup all. And that is the way how you can back up all the GPOs at the same time. If you want to take a backup of a particular individual GPO, but time, there's options. Right click on it and select backup. So you can also take a individual backup for the particular GPO. Remember one thing, select GPO and click on detail. Here is the version, user version number, and this is the important when the policy is applied on user account, computer account, because whenever we made the changes, and that time this number will be increased, and this is the way how user or computer account can find is there is a update in our GPO. So this is the important thing. Now I'm going to create a folder on a C drive. Let's say I just create it and give the name GPO backup. Okay, so we have a folder and inside currently we do not have anything. So just right click on group policy objects and select backup all and specify the location. There is this PC, C drive and GPO backup. Click on OK and under description I specify GPO backup, all GPO backup, and click on backup. Yes. Then 5 GPOs were successfully backup. Click on OK. So now if you see your GPO backup folder, now we have a. So now, for example, just for testing, I'm going to add the GPO and modify certain things like adding the tools, control panel, and I just specify prohibit access to the control pane and PC setting. Just enable it, click on apply, okay, understand. If I click on a detail, that is saying user version is 10, but if you refresh it, and now as we see the version is 20. So in the GPO, cell GPO, I made certain changes that I don't want to, and now I want to restore to the original state, means before this stage where I modified the group policy object. So to do that, you just have to right click on it and select restore from a backup. Click on it and here's the console wizard and click on next, go to the location and click on next. The same, we have a backup of sales GPO, click on next and click on finish. That's done. Sales GPOs restored successfully, and if we now under setting, if you check, there is no control panel access prohibition policy because we restored the sales GPO. Now second thing, what happens if I delete my GPO? Then how can I restore the GPO? And that things is not possible because GPO is no more available in our group policy objects. So that time I'm going to create a new GPO and specify the name cells GPO2. Okay, and that is a totally empty GPO because there is no policy. But I have a backup of cells GPO1. That's all. Because we already take a backup, and that time I can't go with restore, because if I click next, it's saying no backup found because it didn't take a backup of cells GPO2. So that time you have to select import setting. Okay, click on next. It's asking for before importing settings from other GPO, you can take a backup of existing settings, but we do not have any settings. That's why I'm going to click next. And that is the folder where we store our group policy backup. Click on next, and here is all GPOs are there. Which GPO setting you want to import on cells GPO2? And I want cells GPO's existing setting. Click on next, and finish. Okay, I succeeded. Click on OK, and now if you say there's a lock transfer policy. So this is the way how we can backup GPO, restore GPO, and how we can import settings from other GPO to our existing GPO.